Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قال الله تعالى في سورة النساء: إنا أنزلنا إليك الكتاب بالحق لتحكم بين الناس بما أراك الله ولا تكن للخائنين خصيما. Translation: Surely we have revealed to you the book with truth, so that you may judge between the people by that what Allah has shown you, and do not be an advocate for the treacherous who breach the trust. The hypocrites, when they committed any sin, they would try to avoid the punishment and the bad publicity, and they would swear, and they would make excuses, and they will tell Prophet Muhammad ﷺ in a way that they try to prove that they are innocent, and they would put the blame on someone who is innocent, and their friends and their family members will also help them in this bad effort. So what happened once that such an hypocrite did steal a bag of flour and some weapons from another Muslim's home. The bag of the flour has a hole in it, and when this hypocrite was taking that bag from that Muslim's home to his own home, the flour fell on the ground, leaving a trace of the evidence. But that hypocrite did not store these items in his home, but took those items to a Jew person who was his acquaintance, and he kept those things over there. Now in the morning, when the Muslim found that his items were stolen, he found that the floor traces were going to that hypocrite's home, and he went to him, but this person just said that he is not responsible for that stealing, and he just said that he did not do it. The person whose items were stolen then found that the traces of the floor was further going towards the house of the Jew person, and he went to him and asked him, and the Jew person accepted, yes, he had that, and he told the Muslim that this hypocrite person brought these items and kept with him last night. But the hypocrite totally flipped and said that he had no idea what the Jew was saying, and this whole case was taken to Prophet Muhammad ﷺ. The relatives of that hypocrite and his friends also took oaths, and they swear that this person is innocent, and Jew is the criminal, and he is the sinner, and he is the stealer. And Prophet Muhammad ﷺ was also leaning in that direction. However, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent these ayahs, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made that clear that the hypocrite was the main culprit and was the stealer. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in this ayah that, O Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we have sent this book of truth on you, and you should decide according to this book, even if the person is a Muslim or non-Muslim or good or bad, but the truth should be followed and the justice must be maintained. And Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, you do not be an advocate for the treacherous who breach the trust, meaning do not be an advocate of these hypocrites, even if they make their case strong with their lies and false testaments. Oh Allah, give us true understanding of Quran. Amin wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.